everyone, welcome to the 15 minutes morning yoga sequence. This quick flow will get you through few postures to stretch and release tightness in your muscles and releasing stiffness. You may do this short and quick sequence as the first thing in the morning. So let's begin by sitting on our mat in Vajrasana or diamond pose, placing our palms on our knees, straightening our back, lifting the crown of our head up. Inhale and exhale deeply 2 to 3 times. Come onto your hands and knees in tabletop pose. Shifting your weight onto your left leg and your hands, raise your right leg, bringing it in one straight line with your upper body. As you exhale, bend your right knee, rounding your back up, touching your knee to your nose. Also, your wrist and your shoulders are in one straight line. Repeat this 3 to 4 times more. Inhale as you straighten your leg. Exhale as you bring your knee nearest to your nose. Now place your right knee back down. Repeat the same practice with your left leg, shifting your weight onto your right leg and your hands. Straighten your left leg, bringing it in one straight line with your upper body. Now as you exhale, bring your knee to nose, rounding your back. As you inhale, straighten your left leg. Now coming back to tabletop pose, we'll be doing few rounds of cat-cow. Inhale as you arch down, look up. Exhale as you arch up, bringing your chin to your chest. Repeat this 4 to 5 times more. Inhale and arch down. Exhale as you arch up, syncing the motion of your spine with your breath. Coming back to tabletop pose, inhale and raise your right arm up. As you exhale, slide it in between your left arm, your right ear resting on the mat. Look towards right side in thread to needle pose. Straighten your left arm over and above your head, with your lower body remaining as it is. If you're comfortable here and balanced, then you may raise your left arm and place it on your lower back. Now rise up and come back to tabletop pose. Repeat the same posture onto the other side, shifting your weight onto your right arm and your knees. Raise your left arm up as you inhale. As you exhale, slide your left arm underneath your right arm. Your left ear touching the mat, your right arm placed over and above your head. If you're balanced on your head and on your knees, then you may place your right arm on your lower back. Slowly rise up and sit in Vajrasana or diamond pose. Inhale and exhale 2 to 3 times to relax. Now coming on to tabletop pose again. Place your right foot in between your arms, coming to low lunge. Rise up, raising your arms up. Look ahead at some point. Check that your knee and your ankle are in one straight line. Join your palms, bring them near your chest. Placing your left elbow on your right knee with your palms joined. Twisting towards right side and looking back. Rest of the body remaining as it is. Release your palms, placing your left palm beside your right foot and raising your right arm up, looking towards your right hand. Now swing your hand towards back, bend your left knee, raise your left foot, catching your left foot with your right hand. Pulling the left foot towards you in low lunge quad stretch. Feeling the stretch in your left thigh. Release your foot. Look ahead in half split, straightening your right leg, flexing your foot, placing your palms just beside your foot, feeling the stretch in your right hamstrings. Check that your right knee is straight. Try to keep your back straight as well. Now repeating the same sequence onto the other side. Coming to tabletop pose and placing your left foot in between your palms, raising your hands up in low lunge, balancing your weight onto your right knee. Join your palms. Place your right elbow on your left knee. Twist towards left side, looking towards back in low lunge prayer twist. Release your hands, placing your right hand just beside your left foot, raising your left hand up. Slowly swinging your left hand towards back, bending your left elbow, catching your right foot with your left hand, pulling the right foot closer to your body in low lunge quad stretch. Feeling the stretch in your right thigh. Release your right foot. Coming to puppy pose. Place both your palms on the edges of the mat, touching your forehead to the mat, melting your heart. Bend your elbows, placing your palms just beside your head, balancing your weight on your knees and your forehead in puppy pose. We will stay here for a minute or so. Coming onto your stomach, lie down, extending your legs back, raising your upper body, coming onto your elbows in Sphinx Pose. To deepen the back bend, come onto your hands, straightening your elbows and looking up, raising your upper body till the pelvis, increasing the distance between your feet, your toes pointing towards back. Look up. Now as you exhale, bending your elbows, bring your upper body back down onto the mat. Slide your hands between your thighs, coming to locust pose. Moving your weight on your chin and your chest. Raise the lower part of your legs up, using the strength in your thighs and lower back. Exhale in, relax. Repeat the cobra pose once again, raising your upper body, bending your elbows. Feeling a compression in your lower back. As you inhale, rise up. As you exhale, bend down. Repeat the cobra pose 1 to 2 times more. Once you're done, rise up and lie down in child's pose, sitting on your heels, bending your knees, bending forward, placing your forehead on the mat, rounding your back, placing your arms just beside your thighs. Relax in child's pose. Feeling the energy from the ground entering your body. Widen the gap between your knees, coming onto wide-legged child's pose. Stretching your arms forward. Your palms spread. Feel the energy from the ground entering your upper body and your palms. Relax completely in wide-legged child's pose. Hold the posture for next 1 to 2 minutes, getting absorbed in it, sinking into the pose. Slowly inhale and rise up, coming on to Vajrasana. Thank you for joining me in this short and quick morning yoga sequence. Would love to hear back from you in the comments below. Let me know how you found this short sequence. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I'll meet you again in the next video.